China's new AI just beat our best pilots 15-0. That headline shocked the defense community last year, and it's just the beginning of a new era in warfare. Welcome to Warmind AI, where we dive deep into the revolutionary weapon systems reshaping modern combat. I'm your guide through the rapidly evolving battlefield of tomorrow. From autonomous drones that can outmaneuver human pilots to hypersonic missiles that render traditional defenses obsolete, military technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. Here on Warmind AI, we analyze these cutting-edge systems, break down their capabilities, and explore their strategic implications. Whether it's Russia's new unmanned tanks, Israel's Iron Beam laser defense, or America's classified AI targeting systems, we provide the insights military enthusiasts crave. No hype, no politics, just detailed technical analysis and expert commentary on the weapons that will define future conflicts. Subscribe now and join our community of defense tech enthusiasts staying ahead of the curve. The future of warfare is already here, and understanding it is mission critical. Let's take a closer look at the most groundbreaking systems changing the battlefield. AI-powered surveillance networks now track threats in real time, fusing data from satellites, drones, and ground sensors. Swarm drones can overwhelm enemy defenses, coordinating attacks with machine precision. Next-gen exoskeletons give soldiers superhuman strength and endurance on the front lines. Directed energy weapons like railguns and high-powered lasers are redefining firepower. Cyber warfare units silently disrupt enemy communications and defenses from afar. Autonomous underwater vehicles patrol the seas, hunting for threats below the surface. At Warmind AI, we break down the science and strategy behind these innovations. Subscribe for weekly deep dives, expert interviews, and the latest in defense technology. Stay informed, stay ahead. Warmind AI, where the future of warfare unfolds.